Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. I'm Renee and this is Voguish Beauty. So today I'm going to be doing a video using the Morphe collab palette with Jaclyn Hill. It's the Bling Boss one. So as you guys know, purple is my favorite color. And these are all the pretty shades. And I'm also, even though I've already concealed my entire face, I'm having a horrible breakout right now and I do not want you guys to see it. So I put concealer on. I actually caked it on. So I'm also going to be showing you guys the new foundation by Becca. It's the Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation. Oh my god. This foundation is so bomb. My color is Sienna. You can get this at Sephora or Ulta or Becca, wherever. It retails for $44. Now, you guys are probably wondering why I have so many foundations. I don't know. But if I find a good foundation that I like, I do try to pick it up. So, the palette you can purchase at Ulta, or I'm pretty sure you can get it at Morphe too. And the palette retails for $15. Look how pretty. I hope these blend. Okay, and this mirror is popping. How you doing? All right, let's get into this. So I'm gonna try this thing where, people do complexion first. I already did my brows. I already caked my face with concealer, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do my foundation and all my complexion stuff first. And then I'm gonna do my eyes. And I'm gonna see if that really works because that's never worked for me before. I'm low-key scared, honestly. So I'm gonna take this beauty sponge. It's covered with my concealer from earlier. And I'm literally just gonna take a pump. Oh my goodness. It feels very similar to the Lancome Skin Feels Good. This one definitely gives me more coverage. It definitely does blur. I have this horrible planet growing on my forehead. I don't know what is happening. It's probably because I'm stressed. Okay. It's infused with Glow Nectar and a brightening complex. Duh, that's why it looks so good. So I'm just gonna set with this powder. Oh, and I did not forget. Thank you guys so much for getting me to 1K. We did it. We did that, okay? What did we do? That. I can't say too much just yet because I know it's giveaway time. That is true. But it's really not giveaway time because I'm not ready to do the giveaway. I am still waiting for some items to come in the mail, but I'm doing a giveaway. And this is going to be a really big giveaway. So I'm giving you some suspense for the giveaway. So be prepared for that. Stay tuned for that. That's coming in the next week or two. I might have said too much. But yes, stay tuned for that. It's gonna be big. Really big. I don't even want to say anymore. But thank you guys so much. Thank you. Thank you. Sis, why me? So to highlight, I'm going to be using the Born This Way multi-purpose concealer. Don't mind my dirty nails. And it's chestnut. And I'm just going to bing, bing. So then I'm going to go in with another Born This Way multi-purpose concealer. This is Cocoa, so this is going to be my contour shade. Okay, so with that little complexion kind of going on, I'm going to do the other things afterwards. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with the eyes. So first, I want to try something different. I picked up this Morphe eye primer and I wanted to try it out, test the waters a little bit. So I'm just going to warm it up. So using this palette, I am going to be using, So a good friend of mine taught me before using a palette or starting your eyes, you should always have a plan. So my plan is to use 4 colors. The first color being Rockstar, which is this one right here. I'm going to take my Morphe brush. It is the M506 brush. And I'm going to take the shade Mystic. So using the same brush, I'm going to go in my outer corner with Berry Treasure. Then to top it all off, I am going to go in with Ballsy on the lid, which is this shade right here. So I'm going to take my Morphe brush. I don't know what the name is because it doesn't have one. So I'm going to, another good tip, don't spray like this, spray like this. And I'm just gonna pick up the pigment in Ballsy. Ooh, that's sexy. Okay, beauty, so I went ahead and I put my lashes and liner on off camera because you guys know I'm really, really bad at that. So I'm just gonna dust off that excess powder. Someone could have told me that I was saying access instead of excess. I said that in quite a few videos. I am educated. Some words I can't say or forget how to say. Okay, so now it's time to bronze. Oh no, I love a good bronze. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of blush. Whew. Yes. Okay, so I haven't used this in a while. I'm gonna take Ethereal Icy. Come on, nose. Just for our under eye, we're gonna go back in with the palette. And we're just gonna kind of use, I'm gonna use Gem, which is this gorgeous purple. So now that my face is complete, I'm going to go in with the Sephora collection number 100. It's called something purple. I can't remember. And that concludes today's segment. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And most importantly, have a Voguish day, beauties.